This video tutorial is to show how to make blurred wings out of 4x3 video. Previously, we've used an animated background video, or wings, to put behind 4x3 video, but now we want to have stretched and blurred video behind it, creating a new type of wings. I've created some effects that you can save on your Edius so that it's easy to add the effect without having to adjust anything. These effects work with Edius 6.5. You may have to create these effects on your own in Edius 6. First, find the effects window. It may be grouped with other windows or on its own like it is here. At the top, right-click on Effect, and then click on Import. Click My Computer, and then Raw Video Repository, then Permanent Video. Here you will find the 3 preset effects needed. You can only open one at a time, so first click on Blur 4x3 Wings. Next, right-click Effects again. Click on Import and select Stretch 4x3 horizontally. A third effect that may come in handy is called Crop 4x3 Black Lines. As you'll see later, sometimes old 4x3 video can have small black lines on the side, and those lines can easily be cropped out. You can right-click Effect, click Import, select Crop 4x3 Black Lines, and click Open. You may not always use the effect, but it will be there in case it's needed. From now on, these effects will show up here every time you open a project under your login on your computer. If you use a different computer, these effects may not show up, but you can always import them again. Okay, here in the bin I have some video that's in 4x3 instead of 16:9. So I'm going to drag this down to the timeline where I want it. When I edit in Edius, I like to be sure these 3 options are off or orange. So turn Insert off, turn Ripple off, and turn the link off. And what the link does is allow you to click on the video track and make adjustments without affecting the audio tracks. So next, what you want to do is copy and paste the video line to the line above it or on video track 2. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+C or right-click the video and click on Copy. Then click on the line for video track 2. Be sure it's lined up with the video on line 1, and either use the shortcut Ctrl+V or right-click in the gray part of the timeline and click Paste. Now you can select the Blur 4x3 Wings effect and drag it onto the video on track 1. Then select the effect, stretch 4x3 horizontally, and drag it on the video on track 1. Now you can see those black lines I mentioned earlier. Click the effect, crop 4x3 black lines, and drag it to the video on track 2, not on track 1. As you can see, the lines are gone, leaving a clean edge. Again, not all video will have those black lines, so this step may not be necessary. Well, that concludes this training session on creating blurred wings video in Edius 6.5.